If the volume is too low on your computer and you need to fix it, then please watch this video for the resolutions. The first solution to check for problems with the sound settings. Search for sound settings in the Windows search bar. Click on the options that appears to open the sound settings page. Scroll down in the window and select More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, double-click on the active sound output device to open its properties. Go to the Levels tab. Increase the volume level to 100%. Click on Apply and then on OK to save the settings. The second solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, go to the System tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Corresponding to the audio troubleshooter, click on Run. Wait for a few seconds for the audio troubleshooter to load. It might need time since the new troubleshooters are different. However, the new set of troubleshooters actually work. Once the audio troubleshooter has loaded, please click on Yes to invoke the audio troubleshooter. Was this helpful? Please let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.